Hey, what's up, guys? It's Stardust here. Well, yeah, back on the Flash. Oh yeah, this is our first series and episode. This is like buying a fidget spinner. Yeah. Or maybe not. I don't know. Comment down below. So let's get a fidget spinner. My BFF is waiting out there. And they're bored. Hello. Wait, are you a police? Well, I work at every shops. Why? Do you have a problem with that? No. I just wanted to buy a fidget spinner. There's 4 fidget spinner at stocks. Okay. Sure. This is the first fidget spinner. The cool thing is, its technique glows in the dark. Oh, that's good because I cased it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to the police station. You choose which fidget spinner. If you want to test it, go on the 3rd floor. Or here, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Yeah, but it's pretty too fast. Don't you think, guys? Yeah. Now this yellow one. It's also too slow. Now, I'm gonna try this white one. I love this color, it's so cool. Whoa, that's very fast. But don't you think those have to be extra fast? Yeah. Okay. No. And the last one. But few hours later. That is the longest one. Oh my goodness, I'm buying this one. Oh my goodness. I'm back. Have you chosen your fidget spinner? Well, yes, I did. This one. Oh dear, that's Akina's favorite. Oh, whatever. It makes people dizzy and fast asleep for an hour. Wait, really? Of course it does. But it did not make me dizzy. Well, you can't take this home. It's cautious. But please! Then why was it in stocks, huh? 'Cause I said you could just test them. I'm not gonna let you buy this. Oh, come on. It's just for a day. Fine, but don't ask me. Thank you. But I'm just kidding. Oh, by the way, I need to go to work. Again. Coming! Okay. Since Judy Hop is not around, I can take this fidget spinner. Yeah, let's just do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Girls, I got a present. A present? A present? Yeah, it's a fidget spinner. According to my calculation, this fidget spinner is fast. Of course it is. OMG, is this from Smiggles? Yes! I can't wait! Ah! What? No way! Yes. How much it cost? I don't know. $20? Wow, that's very cheap. Of course it is. It's called the Mighty Warehouse. Here, this is the fidget spinner. High quality. Wow. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Me too. I know. Wait a sec. Is this the cautious one? Let's see. That makes us dizzy. Well, my opinion, it's just a fairy tale. Don't listen to that. If you say so. 'Cause I don't trust fairy tales. None of your business, Rainbow. Now let's start it. See, look at it. Look, it's nothing happening. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look. Does it have any big deals? Look at it. This is high quality. Huh. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry, it's a little bit blurry. See, I told you guys. Oh, maybe I'm just dumb. Yeah. I'm going to use it first. No, I am. No, I am. No, I am. No, I am. Roxy first. Thanks, BFF. I want to test how many speed seconds. I can't wait. Wait for me! Okay, I'm gonna see how many quality it spins. I know. It needs a table. We're not bored anymore. That's grateful, indeed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 45, 36. Wait, Hootie, what's happening? Guys, what happened? Guys, you sleepy heads, wake up. We're too dizzy. When we go done. No, please, please. What's going on? Can I go on it? Can I? Can I? What happened to my BFF? What happened to my BFF? This is a mystery. See you in the next episode on Sakina Beanie Booth. Please subscribe and put on the notification bell on to see all the videos. Sakina Beanie Booth. Bye.